DNA repair. What is DNA repair? DNA occurs damage during replication process. To maintain the integrity of genome, correcting any kind of damage is essential. If DNA damage does not correct, it affects the genomes. It would not able to maintain the essential cellular function, and similarly cell lineages would accumulate errors during replication at such a rate that their genome would become dysfunctional after a few cell divisions. Repair systems are different depending upon the pathway and type of damage. DNA repair mechanisms. When normal DNA affects with any kind of damage, it will remove by endonucleases. After that, that portion will be restored and repaired with DNA polymerase. And there is a nick remaining in that place and which was closed by DNA ligase. Mainly there are four types of repair systems: direct repair, mismatch repair, excision repair, non-homologous end joining. Direct repair directly acts on damage and correct each one back to its original position. Mismatch repair. Mismatch repair occur during replication. It excises a stretch of single-strand DNA that containing mismatched nucleotide. After that, repair the resulting gap. Excision repair. It excises the polynucleotide containing the damaged site and resynthesizes the gap with correct nucleotide by DNA polymerase. Non-homologous end joining. Non-homologous end joining is used when double-stranded breaks occurs on DNA.